Inelco Grinders is a renowned manufacturer of tungsten electro grinders for TIG welding, setting high standards in the industry. We hold a solid position on the market with distributors in more than 50 countries all over the world. We help our customers set optimal health and safety working conditions while providing them with a technology that improves welding quality and efficiency and creates considerable savings by reducing the use of tungsten electrodes by up to 50%. Using the improper grinding method can lead to fingers getting caught by the grinding wheel or belt, or the tungsten electrode being projected out of the user's hand and hurting the user or someone close by. If tungsten dust is not collected properly and is therefore inhaled by the user, it can cause uncurable pneumoconiosis and allergies. This is why our grinding and cutting process take place in a sealed chamber, preventing any contact with the disc, and 100% of the dust is captured in a liquid container. We know that precision is key to improving TIG welding quality. This is why our grinders offer precise angle settings, a variety of electrode clamps to suit your needs, an electrode holder to guarantee the perfect centering of the electrode, and a unique liquid that contributes to a smooth surface on the electrode, as well as maintaining a cool temperature during the process. We are aware that TIG welding is an expensive process for its users. Our grinders can help you cut down those costs. You will be able to reduce your usage of tungsten electrodes by up to 50%. Our calculator app will easily determine your potential savings if you use our UltimaTIG instead of a regular bench or belt grinder. You are now familiar with our core values at Inelco Grinders. These are the promises we will continually make to our customers all over the world.